Is suing the Department of Defense and several chemical makers for allegedly polluting their water supply. City leaders are demanding more than $400 million, which would help filter out these so-called forever chemicals. Our Matt Houston explains why Fort Worth holds the military responsible.
In a lawsuit filed this week, Fort Worth alleges the military began contaminating Lake Worth 50 years ago and that they're still doing it. The city blames the Air Force, Navy, and others for the so-called forever chemicals in its water supply.
Over time, that's going to lead to a number of health effects. They've been linked to all kinds of things, like a number of different cancers, as well as reduced vaccine effectiveness.
Science analyst Sydney Evans says those forever chemicals are in all kinds of products, including the firefighting foam used during exercises at Naval Air Station Joint Reserve Base. The city claims the DOD washed that foam into storm drains, which spill into the lake.
It's one of the most concentrated sources that makes its way into the environment. So when the DOD and various airports and military bases were using these foams and using them in training exercises, they contaminated the environment surrounding these areas at really high concentration.
Fort Worth treats the water to a safer level, but it needs to tweak its filtration technology to meet a new federal limit. Those expensive plans are already in the works.
We will do what it takes to meet the new regulations, but it's going to come at a significant cost.
The city wants the alleged polluters to pay for that, not its residents. Fort Worth is also suing the chemical's many manufacturers. Cities around the country have targeted those companies in class action suits, but Fort Worth is going it alone to try for a bigger payout, at least $420 million. The DOD did not respond to WFAA's questions today. Some manufacturers said they won't comment on ongoing lawsuits, and others, like 3M and DuPont, have settled other forever chemical cases but denied their allegations. In Tarrant County, I'm Matt Houston.